I'm not quite sure. Kasi they've seen a couple of articles. So far, they did not mention. Baka, I mean, it had some at some point. But during the battle where they were assigned in, parang wala doon si
Marcos.
wala.
Sila lang.
So this is from the Battle of Kill Erie. He died in the Battle of Kill Erie in Gangwon-do. So there were two significant battles. One was Battle of Yultong, when Yultong is near the border in South Korea. So what happened is all the other UN coalition, they retreated. So the Filipino contingent decided to stay, to buy time. And because of that, they were known by the South Koreans to be brave. What they did, same thing. Hard-headed Japan.
South Korea laban sa Chinese.
Chinese and South Korea. 16 versus less than 900 Filipino soldiers. So this one, si Apollo Chano, sa Battle of Kill Erie was an exchange of artillery and airstrikes. No? So they managed to hold that area. They also didn't retreat. So he died in the course of the battle. So if you get a chance to go to South Korea, you go to Gangwon-do, there's actually a military detachment there. It is named after him, Camp Apollo Chano. So we have a Cagayanon who is named after a military detachment. So according to mga Korean, even mga government officials, they will say that they will always remember the bravery of the Filipinos in the Korean War. Because if the Filipinos retreated, just like everybody else, it would be an entirely different K-pop.
These ones are Japanese.
Yeah, so these are the members of the 10th Military District. We have yet to know where exactly this is, but definitely this is in Cagayan. This could be in Ipunan. This could be the 109th. This could be the 110th in Agusan or in Bogo. So naka-barefoot. The 10th Military District also have the nickname the Barefoot Army. Kasi in short supply sa boots, so might as well fight the Japanese barefoot.
Wala ang tawag pagkatapos.
So there